Hello friends, good evening. Today I am making a video on one subject that is very high CEO salaries in India as well as in abroad. तो मेरी जो आज वीडियो है ये है हाई CEO salaries के ऊपर. So let's speak on that. So one thing if you have noticed that you'll see like in the CEO salaries even in downturns or even when this corona pandemic they are increasing. Businesses may be down, people may be leaving, they are losing jobs, people are being handed pink slips, but still salaries are way on the top. It's rising, 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 rising and rising. So you find Satyan Nadella, a guy who draws a salary of 4,000 crores a year. You would find Shantu Narayanan of Abboud who draws a salary something around 4,000 crores. Then there is Sundar Pichai who draws something around 4,000 crores. And the top of that, I think I was just reading a name, Thomas Kurian. Just a minute, I'll just check. Yeah, it is Thomas Kurian. He is the highest drawing salary. He is presently the CEO of Google Cloud. He is drawing a salary of 10,000 crores. Now my question is very clear. That the management pays such high salaries, is it really justified? Now see, there are two schools of thought in this. Well, yes, salaries are justified, but again, in which sector you are working? So if there is a CEO of a big steel company like JSPL, Naveen Jindal, drawing a salary of 40 crores, that is absolutely not justified. Why? I will tell you. See, in any organization, an organization basically runs through the profits of the organization and the revenues of the organization. And who is generating that revenue? In a steel plant, you see what is important is raw material, the process and the manufacturing. So even if you are a very, very capable guy, a very capable CEO, you don't really have any room to contribute. The steel will be made in blast furnace, there will be coke ovens, there will be sinter plant, and the machine basically earns money for you. So every ton of steel you sell, 90% is the contribution of the machinery and raw material. Your contribution is only 10%. Looking at the other side of the spectrum, if you see software company, in a software the raw material is a laptop, that is it. Rest is all your brains and your innovation, and by that what sort of software you make and how much money the software earns for you. To put in a very simple manner, let's say today I am there, I am a very capable guy. And let's say there is Mr. Ratan Tata. He is another also very, very capable guy. Both of us think of starting a steel plant. So Tata Group already has Tata Steel. But if I want to start a Tata Steel, I would require land, lots of money, lots of machinery, lots of people. Then I am able to earn a single penny after selling steel. But if both of us are thinking of starting a software company, so no matter how rich Mr. Ratan Tata is, or for that matter any person on this earth, and how poor I am, the only raw material that I require for this business is a 40,000 rupees laptop. Rest is it is all our brains which earns the money for the organization. So in this case you see Satyan Nadella or I think this Google CEO Sundar Pichai, if he is drawing 4,000 crores, really Google has got no investment. It basically gives a platform where you can search for any information, and through that searching of that information, Google is earning money. So it is all the genius of the CEO of Google who has built up such algorithms, such software which basically mints money for you. So the conclusion is people working in software, in media, in engineering means like high-tech engineering, like the ones which L&T is doing. Like even if you see in India, there is startup projects, there are so many civil companies, AFCONs and all, but the toughest project is always done by L&T. Even in a Tata Group company, I have seen, many Tata Steel, the blast furnace startup or the blast furnace manufacturing or the commissioning will have to be done by L&T only. Tata Projects doesn't go there because it is all their capability that people trust L&T. So similarly, in engineering, media, IT, these are areas where really it is your 100% capability which mints the money for the organization. So high salaries are justified there. But salaries in cement, steel, or any other raw material sector or road projects, these are areas where you don't really require much capability. There is machinery, there is a system which basically earns money for the company. So that is the conclusion, friends. And do then take care and stay safe from corona. So again, when we meet, that's all. Thank you.